Hi there, WendelClark here. The greatest thing about the project when changing the room is a 24 by 24 room that was all one season, and now we changed it to a 4-season room and adding the bifold doors on this side, and they open right up, but it's also a sunshade if you don't like some of your guests outside. Or it's screens are adapted right in it as well. In the early summer when there's lots of bugs, the doors can still be open and you got a screen protecting yourselves from the inside. We get rid of the bugs. No bugs. You have the fireplace going and you still have a feel like you're outside, why we designed the screen room to begin with. And then we added large windows. We're able to put windows in the same size as the screens that were there before, keep the light and shade and screens at the same time, and keep the same look that we wanted. You have that special feeling that, okay, the place is getting looked after, and also low maintenance, and that's right up my alley. I only like home games. That's why I like the home team at Dolder's.